Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Muhammad F. Qayyum bin Ramzi from SK Kalajeli, Kelantan. I have 4 siblings and I'm the third. I'm into reading. I love to read the storybook. Today I'm here to review a book. The title of the book is The Chick and the Duckling by Alice Tong. This book pages and was published by Little Sun Sandian Berhad. I love to read this story because it is a simple and yet interesting story that carries moral values and helping each other and being obedient to the parents. The book cover is really aesthetic with colorful illustration. The book contains interesting pictures and simple readable text. It will be able to accomplish children and attention while reading or being read to. Besides, provides the question and answer at the end of the book so that it will enhance our thinking. I would like to recommend this book to my fellow friends because it has a very interesting storyline. The chick tries to copy the donkey. Everything that the donkey does, the chick tries to do too. The chick wanted to swim, but its parents did not allow. They worried in will drown himself. But the child did not listen to his parents. At the end, the duckling went for a swim. The chick tried to swim, but started the drown. The duckling saved the chick. My favorite part is when the chick tries to swim, but then her can't swim. It is funny that a chick thinks he can swim like a duck. My favorite character is the duckling. The duck seems nice when he tries to help the chick. They are good friends. The moral values in this book are that we have to help each other and listen to our parents. I secretly recommend this book and I am sure you will love this book too. If you like to read about good friends or about something funny, then you might enjoy this book. That's all my book review for this time. Till then, thank you.